In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim VIX. We'll start right inside Thinkorswim on the Charts tab. This is the home base for visualizing price action and indicators. In the symbol box at the top of the chart, type VIX and press Enter. That immediately loads the CBOE Volatility Index, often called the market's fear gauge. The VIX reflects the market's 30-day expected volatility derived from S&P 500 options. Higher readings generally indicate elevated uncertainty and wider expected price swings, while lower readings suggest calmer conditions. Once the VIX chart is up, take a moment to observe how it behaves. It typically moves inversely to the broad market. When stocks sell off sharply, volatility expectations rise, and the VIX often spikes. When stocks rally steadily, the VIX tends to drift lower. This inverse relationship is not perfect, but it is a common tendency that traders use to gauge sentiment and risk. To see that relationship in context, you can compare the VIX with a major market benchmark directly on the same chart. Go to the menu at the top and select Studies, then Add Study, then All Studies, and choose Comparison. A small settings window will appear. In the symbol field, enter the symbol you want to compare against, such as SPX for the S&P 500 index, and click OK. You'll now see the comparison line plotted alongside the VIX. What you're seeing is how the VIX moves relative to the market index. The comparison study helps normalize the view so you can focus on direction and relative change rather than raw price differences. Notice how declines in SPX often line up with surges in the VIX, and how recoveries in SPX are typically accompanied by easing volatility. This side-by-side perspective can make it easier to spot inflection points or confirm that a sharp market move is accompanied by a volatility response. If you prefer, you can compare the VIX with SPY instead of SPX. SPX represents the index itself, while SPY is an ETF that tracks the index and trades like a stock. Either choice works. The key is consistency with the market proxy you follow most closely. Keep in mind that the VIX is a measure of expected movement, not a directional forecast by itself. It can remain elevated or depressed for extended periods depending on underlying conditions. That's all there is to it. Open Charts, load VIX, add the comparison study, and enter SPX or SPY. With these simple steps, you can quickly visualize how volatility and the market move together and improve your read on overall risk.